Hi, I'm John, this is Holly, and we are Let's Go Now Adventures. And we make videos all about camping, with the hopes of making your camping experience that much better.
So we have had several of our followers, write in, email us, say, hey, what's going on? Where have you guys been? And so that's what this quick video is all about. So basically, at the beginning of our camping season, I was in a very serious accident, and it has kind of, if you would say, derailed us putting out camping videos every single week. But you know what? Sometimes life just happens. And I would have to say it's kind of been, if you can say, a beautiful accident, because if you know anything about John and I, we are actually weekend warriors, and we camp, a good 23, 24 weekends out of the camping season. And so this has allowed us to actually be kind of full-time campers and be up here in nature for, I think we're going on 65, 66, 67 days straight. And it has been actually very, very healing. I have to say that when you're up in nature, I think nature helps you to heal. And by the way, stay tuned. I've got a whole video all about that. So I'm excited to share that with you. But thank you to John. I have required John's full-time help. 24/7. So he's needed to take care of me. Plus, we're dispersed camping. So we're up here, and John has had to take care of all of that goes along with dispersed camping, making sure we have power, electricity, water, all of that. So that in and of itself is a full-time, job. So that's what I wanted to tell you about. We're so excited because the rest of this season, we are going to focus on all of what it takes to actually disperse camp. And I'm so excited to share it with you. It's going to be awesome. So I just wanted to thank you guys. Thank you for sticking with us. We are so excited to be back. And if dispersed camping, if that interests you, hit the like button and the subscribe button. So until the next video, we'll see you on the next adventure. Goodbye, everybody.